Proverbs 16:24 says, "Gracious words are a honeycomb, sweet to the soul and healing to the bones." And here's a sweet and spicy secret from the Caribbean that's not just healing, but also a taste explosion. Hey foodies, let's dive into the world of fermented Caribbean pepper sauce and unlock its probiotic power. First off, let me hit you with a cool fact. Fermented foods are packed with probiotics, those awesome little bacteria that work wonders for your gut health. And guess what? This spicy Caribbean delight is no exception. Fermentation not only transforms the flavors, making them deeper and more complex, but it also boosts the nutritional value. So, you're getting a double whammy of tastiness and health benefits. Now, let's talk benefits. Fermented Caribbean pepper sauce is a probiotic powerhouse. These good bacteria can help balance your gut microbiome, improve digestion, and even boost your immune system. Plus, capsaicin from the peppers can rev up your metabolism and help with weight management. Oh, and did I mention it's loaded with vitamins A and C? Total win-win. So how do you use this magical sauce? It's super versatile. You can drizzle it over your eggs in the morning for a zesty kickstart to your day, or add it to your lunchtime salads for a tangy twist. It's perfect for marinating your meats, giving them that rich, spicy flavor. And if you're feeling adventurous, mix it into your soups and stews for that depth of flavor that only fermentation can bring. Making your own is easier than you think. Start with fresh Scotch bonnet peppers, garlic, ginger, and some salt. Let it ferment for about a week, and voila! You got yourself a jar of probiotic goodness ready to spice up your meals. Remember, folks, good food is more than just taste. It's about nourishing your body and soul. And this fermented Caribbean pepper sauce does just that. So, go ahead, embrace the spice, and give your gut a probiotic boost. As the saying goes, let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. Until next time, stay spicy and stay healthy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow foodies. See you soon.